Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to reverse, shuffle and sort the list items using Microsoft RPA tool Power Automate Desktop. In order to do so, we will use actions named reverse list, shuffle list, sort list. So here I have already created a new list and added 5 items to it and display the items. Let's display it first. So here we have student 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will do reverse it. Here we have the action, insert the variables, reverse list, drag and drop it here, and we need to select the list that we need to reverse. Student list, save. Now we will run and check the output. So here in the output we have student 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it has successfully reversed the list. Now we are going to shuffle the items in our list. In this shuffle it will randomly shuffle it. So here we will take shuffle list and then select the list item here. The whole list, not the list item. So here we will just run and check the items. The shuffled one 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the first shuffle. Next try it again. We have 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. So it is shuffling it again and again randomly. Now we will sort our list. Delete. Sort this list. Just need to select the list to sort. Student list. Save. Now run. Currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an order. So we will have the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's rearrange them and do one more thing. We can shuffle the list before the sort list. Firstly we are shuffling the list and then we are sorting it. Let's play. So in the output we have the sorted list student 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the upcoming video we will learn more about list. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe for more related knowledgeable videos. Thank you.